I don't know what happens. Do you kila kitu maga atogori ito mashera mafururi tamaya? The president was here, the governors were here, the senators were here, the members of parliament were here. Okali guatiriri kariki moka kuona if I, a spiritual leader, nedrona a very big vacuum ya maudo ore meka ga fururi wa Kenya na maudo macho meka go kuri. Hi, my friend. Today in the morning, the Aroka Kuona accident, Thika Road. For more than 6 months, we got accident here. The systems are working, the cameras are everywhere working. Yani, mwadi farafara korone speed ya 40, they are at 40. Mwadi korone farafara ya speed of 30, they are at 30. Wakeri yoka kora marwa kwa kunyoba orehe goti, na wakeri yoka horo fine, yani, they don't struggle to live here. Mati struggle ni things I know da woko. Even spiritually, maudo mama kanida I've learned a lot because you nini gore to woko. And it is my prayer that one day tafurua Kenya nitoge kora hau. And it is my prayer that nikuli uka mutogoria mafururi maya. Mubuge ena miaka iri kuma netwa duranire 2.5 years ena degenya parking degenya cia milioni gana ya 50 cia milioni gana ya 50 after independence mudu mu Erika arakomera toga wa billion igiri iyo ni thibitari ya dialysis no ina mudu umwe guku mubuge arathi na muithiki prime minister aroka maguru ke hetukie bill my assign bill ya health bill egesa inogo the next day ne active okone ka dijero ya ruto yodo fulani the next day atemubuge kirono wa heyo irathi cia special tarude akorire kuria backing maketu kia police ya kuheano irathi cia na ici stari no gima mwega wa mwiri ikihetukio guo rucio effect ekajia they affected us as early as tomorrow cia na ici gakorwo cia kirathi by Monday nigiriku hey. Ya. Nende ngoro ya kuigua niratha na guteithia muthini na ni thuire muno kuona mundu akigua ruo no ne da gucoka ndi mundu mwe muture muno tondu ni ndionaga undu kia gwikika ngamenya wagite gwikika niki tone ndironire kundu kungi wikika ati guku kwina nginya duka iteithagiririo ni thirikari wina cancer na we give stage 4 ukagiraga diapers for free, food for free, dawa for free. Those are things you get to kuona not only as a spiritual leader but also in a national level. Nino nyete kuona at one day susuina pressure Kenya hadu hago kwira nyumba ciana cia kaimurutaga nyumba toria wathika wakwirire nyumba ni pressure na sukari gaigua gate handu akugirite dawa. I would want to see that happening. Ati gutire Mukenya ungiraragira oguo since independence 60 years kuma twatiga weyathi ni kuri Turkanas ni kuri Pokots ni kuri Samburus makwa ni kwa mai guku kungira mai kwanyu kana thitima muthite thirikari na yuke mu compensate ne muthaithe na one day, I don't know who will carry the dream of Kenya. Ati gwitu thaici waitito ohetwo ni milioni 500 na milioni icio 500 gutire mundu akinyira kumenya haria ciri aetereirwo api igoti-ini hakana nacio with 47 governors, 47 senators, and naria maduketio women rep 47 abuke magara mogwaja kama na iteke na ngiri gutiri kundu tugathi gutiri kundu tugathi hakuna uri kuori tutoria dona. I wish I was a leader in Kenya in terms of pushing policies tondu guku ni policy cirutaga wira. When I want to visit the parliament, the United Kingdom Parliament, ne turatwaritwo ni Honorable Nesil, the member of parliament for Bucking. I learned a lot. It is about policies. Na muthenya uria twathire kuria parliament ya the United Kingdom, twakorire me in voting process. And of course, when they are voting for a policy, twakorire magi vote policy ya health. When they are voting for a policy and you are a member of parliament, utire o disciplinagwo ne your party. Do get there when a policy is being passed. Twakorire magi pass policy ya health, na tukikora magi pass policy ya education. Do get there na gegere ihura was 7 minutes. In 7 minutes, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom aka walk. Tiko drive. Either a walk kanoke na muithikiri to the parliament. Na tukionio ginya parking yake. Ya muithikiri. And he walks for 7 minutes when the bell is ringing. Na bell yo iwe kanaga the whole of the United the London, the whole of London, na niyo itago the Big Ben, yeah, the Big Ben. Kenya mukio ke iguru ya parliament itago the Big Ben. Nekyo iguru giuga I was here before the oketene. And when the Prime Minister is coming, na nywe mugakorwo abunge muikarete thi, na thini wa the House of Commons, the House of Lords, si meko aya ne aria mathuritwo na aria mathuketio aria meko taruta the Archbishop of Canterbury na kena ikaraga bunge ya the UK, na aria meko ndungitira muthenyo ndungitira. And in actually twaingirire bunge for 50 minutes, and in 50 minutes ni mahituketie policies ciothe ya githomo. Taruda kuri magi pass tondu mweshimwo ucio witagwo Nesil ni arana mswada that irathi iria ciothe cie Bucking kuria miaka ngethe makoragwo kuria Dagenham ciakwo irathi cia ciana iria ciena cerebral palsy na autism. Imagine an agenda for one constituency ikaba kurugamia maundu maya mangi mothe address on the whole house, magatigirira mubunge ucio ni ateitheka na mubunge ucio ni anegerwo kiria yothe urabatarania. And let me tell you, this is a working nation. Yeah. How they have organized and arranged things, I don't know. Niye ni gohoya Ngai muno muthenya umwe tugekora at least in a quarter of what is happening in these countries. Na equally they are already on in maundu maria mamwe twika Kenya. Gwi kundu Kenya turiha magoti manene gukira bururi uyu. Magoti maitu maria turariha Kenya turiha magoti gukira bururi uyu. But it still shocks me. Uria nie kuma ria ndokire guku ndira hakakira turangi na nguo ciakwa itiragia giko na ndiragia rukungu. Actually ndira thamba ni kuririkana. No tonginya tondu gutiri giko, gutiri rukungu, gutiri fara ya tiri. But since independence, bururi wa Kenya ni ukora town, connectivity ya town fulani ni fara ya doro, ni fara ya tiri. Ni fara ya tiri. Ati guku you don't need guku gutiri billing ati turugame hare turugame twarera ini turi hiyo. The systems wina kadi yaku okone mugithi uraingira uramigirira hare ogeti ni ugitonya yarenga mbeca igakuhingurira gutiri mundu murisema nake atakwire hapa nyuma mama pale nyuma mzee baadhi the same ina billing murago ini just bill yourself kwa ikarathi hoka mundu hizi gutiri hard. It is the systems, and the system is so clear. Mubunge wa guku athia maguru kana muithikiri na hwaini mwikarania na Prime Minister wa bururi wa UK, mwikarania nake mugithi-ini ena muthigari umwetu, mubunge wa gwitu ri ena thigari cigana, ena ngari cigana. The parliament ya UK gutiri ngari paketwo nja na korone kuri na ya borithi gutiri, they moka na megithi kama makaigwo magatonya ugeithagia mubunge waku street ni mukihetukana prime minister wa bururi uyu uramugeithia bara akehetuka the bridge of the London Eye how uramugeithia hi prime minister no kamwira andu aria mararurungana ni mari squares, they have squares ya kururungana magaikara. Actually I am challenged ni tondu wa maundu maria marahanika bururi uyu. Agoro ni bururi uyu koneta kundu kuria irio ciao igethagwo ndungiaka nyumba ithiru ni hindi turaturanga migunda itu ya irio twendirie hindi turendia migunda itu ya irio kuria tubati kurima irio ri riu nikuo turaikara turetura 50 by 100 kundu na we mwene waka ku thiini ta gwakwa ndingihota kuhanda ona mbembe inyanya guku ndungihutia guku nginya bunge ndigitikira wake kindu mutambite guikara thi macire ucio enda waka nyumba itura riu ku nikuo gwitu kwa irio will it affect production itu ya irio, will it affect let me tell you guku gutiri boundary between them and their leadership. In their gallery, in their parliament gallery haria muingi uthia guikara ena computers ati no address mubunge waku murikanie kaundu na ithui bunge itu haria ja igito kiari ngiri 10 ndugatonye na niwe uraririo ku thiini no ndungimeroria mekwaria undu gukonie. If it is the health bill ya turakorire ikihetukio hau irahetukirio health bill radio health bill irahetukio ni ya empower more than 800 bills iria cietukitio ikoni ugima mwega wa mwiri wa mundu ati gukureka accident ona kuhutania tu ngari kuhutania nduguthitwo ngari kuhutania bumper ambulance hau wambe uguthukio thibitari matana ra accident urorokana no wagurara wambe urorokana no wagurara na ni kuhutania bumper wito unagwo kuguru ni nduthi na mubunge wakwa nyeigua akakwira ta wambe urugame ona kana ukinya CDF offices na ni kuneka kuguru ni kunekete no ukerwo wambe kazana ufike kwa CDF wira kuguru kuneku guku ni kuhutio bumper the health policies the health policies guku ni ingi ati na ni ngari kuhutania bumper guku gutiri registrators aigi. It is the representative wa ward MP arafu prime minister. Guku gutiri wastage of resources, and I wish if Kenya no is shocking the governance of adorema to colonize is okay wathani ne tocio tondu riu tungiri na MCA MP arafu president guku niguo gwathanagwo riu maya maundu maingi maguteaga mbeca. We are actually ni hindi ndiramenyire turi andu atongu. United Kingdom is a very small country. Actually ugitwarithia miles uguo taru muthenya wa ira from Canterbury to muhakaino wa France ni ndaika 50 wigire bururi ungi because it is a very small country. If you look at it's an island dogu piu. You see 3 of the banks irasi go ku bururi wa United Kingdom ni cio controlaga the world economy. Fegi thatu 3 banks guku ndukaigua mundu na corruption ati mubunge na nyito na corruption guku ndari access ya mbeca ni ati he mbeca ici angioya ekiona tondu nginya kenyumbera ikara guku andu thani maiganaine in the streets guku taru Kenya nyana to define go na ngari ria mundu aratwara ati ni ari V8 ni ari Range Rover ni ari Mercedes ni mutogu guku o thani maiganaine guku gutiri kurio ati amekuja hapo nje anaendesha gari gani otherwise ugukona mundu mutongu ni mundu wina gakari kanini karahuthira betiri ona timaguta karahuthira betiri ucio nwe mutongu. Is a very, very good country, and I wish that one day Bururi witu ni uka achieve an eighth of what is happening here. And I think the only person muduria wari wahotete gucera bururi uyu na agakua a glimpse of it. Mundu wakuite Kenya ga bururi uyu na agakarehe Kenya. President Mwai Kibaki did it. Ni atureheire because Thika Road guku othe ni maiganaine guku gutiri kurio ati amekuja hapo nje anaendesha gari gani. Otherwise ugukuona mundu wa mutongu ni mundu wina gakari kanini karahuthira betiri ona ti maguta. Karahuthira betiri ucio niwe mutongu. It's a very, very good country. And I wish that one day, bururi witu ni uka achieve an eighth of what is happening here. And I think the only person muduria wari wahotete gucera bururi uyu na agakua a glimpse of it. Mundu wakuite Kenya ga bururi uyu na agakarehe Kenya. President Mwai Kibaki did it. Ni atureheire because Thika Road is part of what happens here. Thika Road ni guku kuha riu Thika Road riu tigane facilities imwe ciraga riu ta buildings na kina maundu macio. Kibaki ni ageretie muno kurehe the United Kingdom in Kenya. And Uhuru Kenyatta tried it. I don't know if the current regime neguturehera a taste of what is happening outside our nation. Taru to connect na mafarafara tamaria me mafarafara taru farafara ugo turaheirwo ni Uhuru wa uma airport no thie ginya Westlands utekurugama. That is what happens here. Farafara icio cia iguru guku ni farafara nini muno cia keirwo thi farafara cio the igeraga uguo na ni thaka muno ni thaka muno gwakinya akorwo ni gas stations marwa gukumaheanagwo ni thirikari ati farafara eno yothe muona mwathi miles cigana mukurugama handu hana dereva wanyu no akome for 1 hour na nywe coffee. You see maundu macio mothe mabangitwo ni thirikari nigetha gutikanagia accidents. Mundu gwitwo President Kibaki brought a taste of it. President Uhuru Kenyatta ni atureheire murio wa maundu maria mekaga na guku nituronie farafara teo ici President Uhuru Kenyatta atigiri aka go connect Karen na Kikuyu mafarafara macio kuigura tondu go connectivity is priority. Guku connectivity is priority. Guku nigetha umire itura fulani no ugere fara 10 na ciothe ni njake ciothe ina traffic controllers ciothe ina maundu maria mothe magirire no korwo doe guku so that uthinike gi farafara. And okorwo ni guku farafara ginya guthi migunda-ini urathira rami riu tiri ukuhutiria mugunda, right? Waigira mugunda ni hore ona riu aya uyu ni tiri, but guthi ginya gate ni ya mugunda ucio it is well done tarmac roads. A lot is happening. How I wish Kenya kana no tuyaga mundu athana tuo mutongoria twamenya ni uyu akamba karehwo training guku aikare guku yonere akaiguta guku mweri agathiururukio akerwo turenda wathurwo Kenya gukahano tondu agikorwo thaici ithui adopted bill ya health ihutitie maundu mangi mothe karikia they are now tiru ni kumuhe advantage murwaru akeheo advantage. Ithui ni hindi turangangana na SHA, ithui ni hindi tureheria NHIF tumithonyie twike SHA nayo twameigeria ithui guku hindi turami. And I don't know. I don't know. My fellow Kenyans need go muno that ni tukagia na andu matari edi, ni tukagia na andu mendete andu, ni tukagia na andu maiguagira aria ngitha, ni tukagia na andu matakarora nda cia uria ciga na njira yo dona that ni ndona bururi ungi murimi arathaithwo ni thirikari. Ndona bururi murimi arathaithwo ni thirikari ati thii na mbere na gutukamera iria. You are very important to this nation. Thii na mbere na kurima waru. You are a very important person in this nation. Thii na mbere na kurima ngano. You are a very important person to this nation. I have never seen. Ni dona. I have tried a lot guthoma history ya bururi uyu na bururi utaithitio no kindu kimwe: systems working. I saw the former governments. Ya President Mwai Kibaki gegeria co-work na systems. Ya Uhuru Kenyatta rokera twekerea systems. E-Citizen, kurihira Huduma Center, kwekata tureheretio maundu-ini maingi, tuthie into the card lifestyle. But the problem is one, ona twekirwo system ri, the output ya system ni moko. Thirikari ona yaka muferethi wa gutega utonga wayo Kenya, muferethi ukora akenua kia mweshimiwa kianiriirie nda yake hune. But local systems, if it is health, ithiaga into the health sector. If it is transportation and infrastructure, ithiaga ku. If it is education, to education. Guku no ukore minister wa migunda akiria bia cia education. Gwitu no ukore minister wa health akiria bia cia defense. Ethe teginya contract kwa defense, a supplying ng'ombe kuona wenu wa migunda. Yes. Personal interest gwitu ni nyingi muno. Guku gutiri mundu ecuguri no ri ungi. The ministers of this nation, kuligana na ndathomaga ku bunge, uria marutaga wira gutiri mundu ungingirira wira wa mundu uri ungi. If something fails, gwitu gufairaga security, ikablame nginya minister wa sports. Guku ndungithaka nondu. And the respect and the structures of this nation, they are so well up and set. I don't know. Ate gwitu nituti makaga tuona murwaru wa higo age protest. Actually goku protest ile ndino ne goko ne fururi ugithaithwo wingirire maburi maria mangi magethayo, but not protesting si ati fururi wao kwina mundu na cancer, fururi wao kwina mundu wina thina arenda bone marrow transplant gutiri. For you, people, muthini na mundu mutongu, they are equal. Their rights are equal. Uria muthini igiraga thibitari, no uria gitoka guku kigira thibitari, it is all the same. No gwitu ri rwara cancer, gwitu rwara higo, gwitu rwara kindu kina. Ati gwitu at this moment, 60 years after independence, no turetha uria mundu eguthie India, no tureka uria micango mundu eguthie India. Fururi abunge maragura ndege cia migunda cia thibitari cigigana thibitari cia dialysis